Welcome back. Joining us this morning, we have Abby Almendinger and James Ridenour joining us here to talk about the Battle Carthage, an event coming up that hasn't been actually held in Carthage in over a decade, which is pretty awesome. Mm-hmm. All right, so tell me, what do we have going on this weekend?
The roar of the cannon, musketry, all sorts of marching and yelling, and there'll be demonstrations also. Basically, if you come out tomorrow, you're going to kind of find out what it was like in 1861 out there, pretty much on the actual battlefield. So. All
right, and basically this is a giant history lesson for everybody. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. When does everything kick off?
It kicks off, I think we start at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I'm involved in all the military stuff, so it's, we've got our own little schedule set up. The big event will be at 1 o'clock. That will be the battle, and it will be out in the field, and parking will be coming in. You might want to talk about that. And there'll be demonstrations throughout the morning. There'll be a lot of things going on. And then we also have a dance Saturday night that people can come back to. So.
Okay, so, well, since you brought up the dance, let's talk about this. Is it like a time period setting dance? Or?
Yeah, it's what we call it a ball. And there'll be music that will there, and you can learn the dances. There'll be somebody there to show you the dances, and people can watch. And it's a lot for the reenactors, but people can come and watch, and they can probably participate too.
That's pretty cool. Talk to me a little bit about the actual battle itself. What does it take to put something like that together? How many people are involved? Obviously, you have costumes.
I'm on the logistics side of things for the civilians, so it has been a really big collaborative effort. We've had a lot of people working on this in a committee format for many, many months, and so we're just excited to make history come alive. As you mentioned, we have not had a battle like this before. Since this is the 11th year since we've had one. Mm-hmm. So, we're just really excited to be able to make history come alive. We're very grateful to the city of Carthage for sponsoring this event, as well as the Army is a big sponsor too. So it's due to their generosity we've been able to put it on. So,
okay.
And I can say I've worked on a lot of events like this. This has been one of the best ones I've worked on. These people have been great. The city has been great. Carthage has been wonderful. The Civil War Ranch has been tremendous in helping us get this all set up. So.
Okay, so everything's of course located at the Civil War Ranch. Mm-hmm. The actual battle itself, back in 1861, is this close to where it took place, or?
Yep, we're basically right on the edge of the battlefield. I mean, the battle swept right through that area. It started north of town. Throughout the day, they kept pushing and pushing until late afternoon. They got into actual Carthage and fought around the courthouse that was there at the time, and then down the hill towards what is now the state park, the little state park that's down there. That's where it kind of finally dwindled off because it was getting dark, and you didn't really fight after dark. So
what happened after the Battle of Carthage? Like, what came about because of this? Why is this battle so significant?
Well, what was significant about it is that this was intended to stop the Missouri State Guard, that's us in civilian clothes, from getting into Arkansas and joining the Confederate Army. And the Union tried to block that attempt. And they slowed them down, but really didn't. They still got through. And it was the beginning of, this was actually the first time that these Missouri troops got into a real fight, and they were able to carry the day, and that will lead them to becoming one of the more premier units during the Civil War out in the Western Theater.
Okay. So, I mean, there's a lot of significance of this battle out. You think of the 1860s and stuff, and a lot of people don't remember, or think about how important it was all the way out here in the Midwest.
Oh yeah,
it played a big role.
Right. Yeah. We're very excited to have the general public can come out starting at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. It will run from 9 to 5. There will be demonstrations, a ladies' tea. The actual battle opening ceremonies will start at 12:45, and then the battle will start at 1 o'clock, and then it'll be an hour and a half or 2 hours. I'm not sure exactly how long, and but it'll go till about 5 o'clock, and then on Sunday from 9 to 3, and they'll do another battle reenactment starting at 1 o'clock on Sunday as well.
So are there things to do while you're watching the battle? There'll be food vendors there?
Food trucks, several vendors, different nonprofits, lots of different activities for people to see. Again, the tea is at 10:30, I think, and then the ball is around 7 o'clock. So there's quite a few things for people to do throughout the day, and of course the big thing, of course, is the battle.
Okay, sounds like a lot of excitement. Hopefully, can we expect anything different to happen in the battle on Sunday than from Saturday? Or
Hopefully
it'll have the
they'll
same
be more
outcome?
tired Saturday, Sunday. We're pretty much the same scenario. We're going to doing some things that you might not have seen before in the reenactments around here. So we'll see how that all goes.
All right. Well, I'm excited to see how this all plays out. That'll be
The
fun.
demonstrations will be great, and of course,
yeah.
the firing of the cannons will be very exciting, and there will be horses, cavalry, and artillery,
Yeah,
and the
artillery, yeah.
infantry, all of those things. Words I've just learned, so.
Well, and I don't remember if you said it or not, but you said something about a church service also on Sunday as well.
Yes, at 10 o'clock there is a church service. It is open to the public, so people can come out and have an open air church service as well.
All right. Sounds like a lot of fun and really cool timer stuff that you're going to be doing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There'll be plenty of things for people to be involved with. So.
Where can people find more information about this?
You can go to the Facebook page at Battle of Carthage. Facebook page is probably the best place, and then of course the website online is battleofcarthage.org as well. So that has all of the information, all of the updated information about all of the activities.
All right. Sounds awesome.
We're very excited. We hope it's
yeah.
going to be a great event, and hopefully the weather holds off for tomorrow, but Sunday should be beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for coming on, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.
All right.
Thank you
for
for
having
having
us.
us.
We'll be right back.